Hi, I'm Chris, the modeller at ABR Modelworks. I'm very excited to show you our new HO scale modular building system. This video is an overview of our concrete and brick series and is the first in a series of videos to help you design and build your buildings. The modular building system has been designed to be a flexible building system that is easy to build whatever type of industrial, commercial, municipal building that you need for your railway. Here are two buildings that will soon be available in kits. And although they're single-storey buildings, they're an example of what you can do. The system is made up of panels that have a simple tab and slot together design, making the assembly process a breeze. Our concrete and brick modular series has 3 styles, 3 widths, and comes in 1 to 6 storey panels, which are stackable, giving you whatever height you need. The 3 styles are a concrete only face, 1 opening per storey where you insert a brick panel or a window, 2 openings per storey where you insert a brick panel or a window in the top opening and a brick insert in the bottom opening. The single and double opening panels come with both brick inserts and windows with glass per storey, so you can choose the look and configuration at the time of building. Our brick inserts are engraved on both sides so that when you look through the window you can see brick where it should be. The 3 widths are full 3 inch or 76 millimeters, half width 1.5 inches or 38 millimeters, and quarter 3/4 of an inch and 19 millimeters. Now, because of the tab and slot system, when you're adding a series of panels together to make a wall, the overall length of the wall is the combined length of all the panels plus 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeter to allow for the wall thickness. All 3 styles in full width come in 1 panel packs, 4 panel packs, and 8 panel packs. The larger packs save you money on your build. Half and quarter come in 1 panel packs. We have 4 ground floor entrances and doorways and 3 loading dock height entrances and doorways. There's a ground floor main entrance with a 3D printed set of steps and doors and windows. There's a single door and 2 windows that are 3D printed. There is a 1-storey high bay door with a laser engraved roller door. There is a 2-storey high bay laser engraved roller door. The roller doors can be glued in open, closed, or part-way open, and they come with 3D printed wall protectors that have got the bolt details on them. There is a loading bay door at dock height with a laser engraved roller door. Again, can be opened or closed. Recessed undercover truck loading bay with laser engraved roller door. It also has the brickwork laser engraved on the internal faces, so when you're looking through a window you can see the bricks. There's a recessed worker entrance loading bay height door, again with the brickwork being laser engraved all over, so you see the detail, including the planking in the roof. If your building is taller than the door entrance you wish to use, you simply take the top off and stack the next panel on top of it. So we now have a 2-storey structure. Our loading dock platform comes in 1 to 4 panels, so you can join them together and make your loading dock platform as long as you need. And there's also a corner kit that allows you to wrap the loading dock platform around your building. Floor and roof panels come in squares that you glue together to make the size and shape you need. There are also some standard sizes like the ones we use in our kits. Note that floors come with detail like planking and nail holes, or they can be concrete square sections, which also can be used as a roof, as in the case of this kit. So as I said at the beginning, I'm very excited about our new HO scale modular building system, and I hope you are too. We believe it's the most comprehensive modular model building system on the market today, and we're going to be adding a lot more to the range of panels and accessories to dress up your buildings. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell. And by the way, go to ABR Modelworks website and join our newsletter. I'm Chris, the modeler at ABR Modelworks. Have a great day.